Hello, welcome. This is a problem on basic graphing. This is at the number 1 or below proficient level. This question asks us to plot the following points and label each point. Something to keep in mind is that here it says x and f of x. So it's important to keep in mind that y is equal to f of x. So they can be used interchangeably. You could just as easily have called this y instead of f of x. So when you're graphing, over here, remember that to the right is the positive x direction, and to the left is the negative x direction. That going up is the positive y direction, and going down is the negative y direction. You also need to have some scale. You can do 1 to 1, 1 square equals 1 unit, but you also do that 1 square equals 10 units or 100 or a million. It just depends on like the values that you have and how big you need them. Because the smallest value is -8 and the largest value is 5, I think that in this case, 1 to 1 is fine. So I'm going to count over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to label this as 5 right here. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is 10 over here. So from the origin, which is 0, 0, and then to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or -5. And then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or over here, -10. Same with the vertical axis. I'm going to use the same scale. It doesn't have to be the same scale. The y and the x values can have different scales. This could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then going down, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or -5 down here. And then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or -10 right here. And then, so if I'm going to graph this first point, -7, 4, that's -7 in x, goes to the left, 7. So over here, -5, and then -7. That's the x value, -7, and then 4 means we go up 4 from there. So we go up, up 1, 2, 3, 4. And so that is the point, -7, comma 4. Now, if we had, you could have called this A, B, C. I could have just, instead called this, if we had labeled it that way, we could have just called this A. And then over here, you can see the A is -7, 4. But since we didn't have that, we'll just use the coordinates. This is -7, comma 4. So it can be labeled either way, with the coordinates of the point, or with some name of the point like A, or usually we use letters for that. Okay, so B is 2, -8. So I go over here to 2 and go down to -5, 6, 7, 8. And so this point is 2, comma, -8. That's 2 to the left of the origin, and then down 8. And then finally, we've got 5, 3. So we go over to 5, and then we go up 3, and we make a point. And that is the point that is 5 to the right, and then 3 up. And that's how you do it.